Hello everyone, Jim Bostock here. I hope you're all well. This is called Sever's disease, and it's a significant debilitating pain in the heel. All throughout the heel, it can vary inside, middle, outside, under the heel, in children, kids. Especially during the growth years, so from around 8 to 12, 13, 14 years, when the child is growing rapidly. The bones are growing rapidly. You'll notice because they're eating more and the hormones are kicking in. We won't go there. And the growth plates are really getting stressed. On top of this, and this is the key point, they are highly athletic. So they play a lot of sport, especially sports like soccer, volleyball, athletics, rugby, where there's a lot of jumping, sprinting, running, pounding, and a lot of it. So the kid is doing lots of exercise. The muscle system in the calf, the hamstrings, the glutes, the posterior fascia is working overtime. But the bones are growing rapidly. So it's like we're tightening up guitar strings, constantly tightening. The string, the muscle system, the fascial system gets so tight and overwhelmed, the nerves get very angry. And then at the muscle heel, we'll keep it simple, junction, the growth plate, it gets very irritated, inflamed, and painful. So this is called Sever's disease, and a lot of children suffer a lot. Debilitating pain. It is not just for the child, but the parents. Treatment to this date for this: physiotherapy, all the various manual therapies, taping, orthotics, rest, icing, all various types of electrotherapies. But what I find here in my practice is this pain is chronic, and sadly it knocks kids out of action for years. I've had so many kids this year, up to 3 years, not being able to play the sport they love. It really debilitates them emotionally and physically, and the parents, of course, to just watch your child not being able to perform because of this pain. They're limping, they're crying, they can't walk after sport, they can't walk in the mornings. It's such a horrible pain. It's called Sever's disease. In my clinic, I call it nerve locks sitting in the nervous system, especially through the calf muscle region. As I mentioned earlier, it becomes so overwhelmed and tight because of growth and activity, trauma, because of overuse. The nerve locks kick in, the pain ignites, and the reason why everyone who I meet in here are suffering no matter what they are trying everything, spending thousands and thousands of dollars, and yet the pain is not going away, the child is not playing sport, is because of the nerve locks. So how do I treat this? I designed a specific needle treatment. It's not acupuncture. Dry needling comes close. It's my own personally designed needle treatment called the Bostock needle treatment for nerve locks. And gently we reset, Control-Alt-Delete is what I always say, the nerve locks, and the pain disappears immediately. The child goes back to sport tomorrow. The recovery to 100% function is immediate. So this is how I treat Severs in kids going through growth spurt and doing lots of sport. If you have any questions, please let me know.